Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Vieira. I have a doctorate in biomedical science, and I'm an expert at using dietary supplements to improve overall health. One of the things I'm excited about right now is a supplement called Calerie NMN. Calerie NMN delivers a molecule called nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN for short. There's been a lot of scientific interest in NMN recently, for two reasons mainly. The first reason is that NMN is required to make another molecule called Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, or NAD+. NAD+ is involved in just about every physiological process that happens in our bodies.
Hi, my name is Marianne Payne. I'm from Long Beach, California, and this testimonial is for the NMN product for Calerie. I've been on the Calerie NMN pills for about 3.5 weeks now, in addition to the supplements I take now. And the biggest difference I noticed with adding NMN to my daily routine is that I eat a lot less. I don't crave food as often as I do. I'm able to work out for longer. I was always a lazy athlete. I grew up competitive swimming and water polo. And during practice, I always did the bare minimum. But ever since I've been on these NMN pills, I've been able to work out for like an hour and a half at one time. Before NMN pills, I was only working out 30 to 40 minutes, and I wasn't consistent with my workout every day. Before NMN, I would work out 2 days in a row, 2 to 3 days in a row, and be like, okay, I worked out already all this week, I get a rest. And then when I do take that rest, I usually take 2 to 3 days rest and then go back to working out. And ever since I have been on these NMN pills, I don't skip days because I'm unmotivated. I only do rest days just to rest my muscles. Also, NMN has helped me lose that 4 extra pounds. I'm the lightest I have been since my college swimming years, and that was about 10 years ago. So I'm excited to see what else this company has to offer, but everyone should give these anti-aging pills a shot.
Hi everybody, my name's Kurt Stiles. I want to take just a minute and give you my personal experience taking Calorie's Lifespan NMN product. I've been on the product for about 17 days, but I started noticing major changes at about day 4. First of all, my energy has increased dramatically. I feel good not only when I wake up in the morning, I have no afternoon slumps, and I have leftover energy at the end of the day. That was not the case before I started taking this Lifespan product. One of the things I've noticed too is that my pain level is down dramatically. I just spent the last 2 days moving a family member. Normally I would be sore for days. I barely have any pain today at all. But the main thing that it's done for me is sleep. I've not been a good sleeper most of my life. 4 hours would be a good night. Since about day 5 or day 6 taking this product, I am now sleeping at least 6 and most nights at least 8 hours. Wow, no wonder I'm feeling better. This product has totally changed my life, and I highly recommend it for you. For me, I think Calerie could have named this product Life Back, because they've given me my life back.
It is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It gives our cells the energy they need to function. Studies have shown that declining levels of NAD lead to age-related health problems. So it is assumed then that NMN would reverse or prevent these age-related problems. Scientists are interested in NMN for another reason too. New research showed that NMN is more than just a molecule needed to make NAD. NMN itself is an important source of cellular energy, and it has powerful protective abilities for both our brains and our bodies. It can also activate an enzyme called sirtuin-1 that contributes to cellular health and regeneration, which improves metabolism and gives our skin a youthful glow. NMN is so exciting that researchers at Washington University are currently doing a clinical trial of NMN to confirm its effects on metabolism and heart health. These two scientific observations tell me that NMN is a potent health-promoting and anti-aging compound. That's a lot of science, but there's a simple take-home message. Calerie NMN has this powerful NMN at a dose proven in a recent human study to be safe. And it's at a similar dose to the predicted effective dose that's being used in the ongoing clinical trial. Just 3 chewables a day delivers all the NMN your body needs to repair past cellular damage and prevent future damage.
Hello everybody, my name is Lina Huynh. I am from California. I got some samples from Calerie with NMN in it. This is my testimony after 7 days of using the product. I don't wake up in the middle of the night anymore. When I wake up, I am full of energy and it lasts throughout the day.
Hey everyone, Dale Hillius here. I was introduced to Calerie and their flagship product, NMN, about 10 days ago, and I wanted to come here and give you my feedback and some personal experiences with it. It took about 3 or 4 days before I began to feel anything, but my energy, especially during the day, has jumped, and I just don't feel tired after my normal 8, 10, or even now 12-hour shifts. I also noticed my recovery times shortened with the extended hours and physical nature of my job, plus being 51. The routine aches and pains I would normally feel the next day are now almost non-existent. My urge to eat has decreased, and I've dropped about 6 or 7 pounds since Thanksgiving. And honestly, the only thing I've changed is taking my Calerie NMN in the morning. If no one had even mentioned that there was a business opportunity available through Calerie, which is amazing in and of itself, I would want to be a customer. It's hard to put into perfect words or describe what I'm feeling, but it's this overwhelming sense of overall improved wellness, and I just feel healthier. I'm more active and full of energy in the mornings, and I feel much like I did back in, let's say, my 30s. I just feel good. So thank you, Calerie. I'm excited to see what the next few weeks bring. I'm excited to try their other products, and I'm really looking forward to hearing what you and others have to say about their experiences with Calerie. So you definitely need to try this product for yourself.
As we age, the tiniest blood vessels in our bodies wither and die, reducing the blood flow to organs and tissues. Vascular aging causes many diseases: cardiovascular, neurological, muscle wasting, frailty, and even aging. Here at Harvard Medical School, we've reversed this process in mice, setting the stage for radical new therapies to help people. The new study has unraveled the cascade of interactions between blood vessels and muscles. Endothelial cells, which line the walls of blood vessels, are essential for the health and growth of the vessels. And as endothelial cells age, blood vessels begin to atrophy and die. Blood flow to many parts of the body diminishes. Organs and tissues begin to function less well. Blood vessel demise hits muscles especially hard, because muscles rely on a robust supply of blood for their function. This process can be slowed down with regular exercise, but only up to a point. Over time, even exercise fails to stave off blood vessel demise and muscle loss. The new findings have cracked the mystery behind this process. As our blood vessels age, they become deaf to the signals from exercised muscle. This actually leads to the muscle shrinking as we get older, and therefore we're less able to exercise and grow new blood vessels. A vicious cycle indeed. The two key players in the crosstalk between blood vessels and muscles are a molecule called NAD and a protein called SIRT1. NAD boosts SIRT1, which in turn enables the conversation between muscles and blood vessels. But both NAD and SIRT1 decline as we age. They can no longer perform their role as the interface between the muscles and blood vessels. In our new study, we gave mice NMN, a chemical compound commonly found in the body and previously shown to boost NAD levels, which in turn boosts SIRT1. These mice had better endothelial function, blood vessel growth, and improved blood supply to their muscles. And what was most striking? These animals' capacity for exercise improved dramatically. In fact, the old mice treated with NMN had up to 80% greater exercise capacity compared with the untreated old mice. These results, I believe, can help millions of people who have lost their mobility or simply can no longer exercise, either through frailty, disability, or old age. This sets the stage for new medicines that will be able to restore blood flow in organs that have lost it, either through a heart attack, a stroke, or even in patients with dementia.